Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. And good video for you today. Very informative. But before we get going, make sure you jump down into the video description. If you need to get a referral code to sign up to start driving, we've got those down there. You can sign up, get sign-on bonuses for both Uber and Lyft. We also have retroactive sign-on bonuses. So you get signed up, you get that sign-on bonus, start driving, making that cash. Boom, all that good stuff. All right, hey, this is what we're doing today. We're throwing it back. We're throwing it back to November of 2016 when I first started driving for Lyft. And I'm gonna give you my first 2 weeks of earnings breakdown so you can see what it was like back in the good old days of 2016. All right, so let's get into this thing. What do we got going on? All right, so first week, November 14th through November 20th of 2016. Like I said, okay. So I didn't know what I was doing at all, really. I just signed up and I figured, hey, I'll just start driving. I'll sign on. I'll get pinged all the time. It'll just be all these rides. I'll make tons of money and life will be good. Well, it's not exactly like that. There's definitely a lot of learning curves. And so I had to go through those, as you will see. Started driving on Monday, only did 3 rides, made $16.78. Tuesday, 1 ride for $6.49. Picked up a little bit on Wednesday with 8 rides for $99.31. Ching. Thursday, 3 rides, $20.19. Friday, 11 rides, $147.71. I finally thought that I had made it to the big leagues. And then Saturday I gave 7 rides for $64.40. Now that added up to $354.88 on a total of 33 rides, 32 and a half hours. So I'm not going to give you the total breakdown yet. We'll do a 2-week breakdown of what I made per hour. But if you can do quick math in your head, that's not very good. I didn't know what I was doing at all. So let's move this on. Second week. All right. I know a little bit more, but still don't really know anything because I didn't have the Rideshare Hub to watch and learn. Okay, second week. Let's see. Monday, 6 rides for $90. It's a good start to the week. Skip Tuesday. Probably drank too much Monday night. Nah, I'm just kidding. Maybe. I don't know. I really don't remember. It's a long time ago. Wednesday, 4 rides, $19.82. Thursday, 4 rides for $31.86. Friday, 8 rides, $271.57. What? That's insane. Okay, well, it's a little misleading. Actually, the deal is that I really only made $71.57 in driving. 200 of those dollars were my referral bonus. See? Get that referral bonus? So that was my sign-on bonus for driving. For some reason, it just put it under Friday. That's when it came through. Yeah, so that's a little misleading. And then Saturday, I drove 18 rides for $124.97. Finished up the week on Sunday with 6 rides for $51.35. Now, okay, so that week, the second week, I made $665, 46 rides, 32 and a half hours. So I drove 32 and a half hours both weeks, first and second week. That's $665, again, a little misleading. It's really like $465 because 200 of that was a sign-on bonus. Again, why that's so important to get that sign-on bonus. So, that's a lot of numbers, right? Whew. Okay. Also, here, let's go over this real quick, too. In that second week, there was a lot going on. $22.21 in prime time, $43 in tips, $5 cancellation fee, the $200 driver referral, minus out. This is actually how it used to be listed. You would see all your earnings and then it would show you how much Lyft took out. So they took out $113.99. That was their cut. A lot of money. Incentive guarantee, $29.59. What that is, they used to do these hourly, boy, this was a great bonus system. They used to do these hourly guarantees. So if you drove, how did that work? I think you had to be in a certain zone and you had to give at least 2 rides in an hour. But let's say your 2 rides added up to $6 and the hourly guarantee was for $25. As long as you gave 2 rides in that zone, they bumped you up from $6. They gave you the extra $19 to make it $25. It was sweet. The good old days. So I got one of those. And then the Power Driver bonus, I hit that for $45.58. So, that was a lot. Okay, this is what it breaks down to. $1,000, $1,020 in 2 weeks, 65 hours driven, drum roll, and actually this is before expenses. I have no idea how much I spent in gas over those 2 weeks, but it broke down to $15.69 an hour before expenses, which that was in Southern California, Newport Beach. That doesn't go very far in Newport Beach, California. So there you go. There's my first 2 weeks of ever driving way back in the day, 2,000 rides ago. And the point is, watch our videos, watch any videos, read blogs, educate yourself on rideshare driving so that you can maximize how much money you're making, because we want you to make a lot of money. And if you're just starting out, definitely educate yourself because there is a learning curve. There are different times of the day that you want to be driving, different areas. So there's a lot of things to do, things not to do. So do all those things. All right, there you have it, you guys. There's my first 2 weeks of driving. I'm gonna go. I need a cocktail now. All right, anyway, that's all I have for you. Jump down in the comment section below if you have any thoughts and feedback. And again, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until next time, drive safe out there, everybody.